If you've been dreaming about getting a brand new 2027 motorcycle, but you don't want to spend a fortune, then you are in the right place today. We have spent hours researching and digging through all the latest leaks, rumors, and confirmed information to bring you the 10 cheapest 2027 motorcycles that you can actually go out and buy. And I promise you, some of these bikes are going to absolutely shock you. The value you're getting in 2027 is insane. Now make sure you watch all the way to the end, because number one is genuinely one of the best value motorcycles we have ever seen at this price point. Also, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We cover all the latest motorcycle leaks, rumors, and news every single week. So hit that subscribe button and join the Bike Nerd Extra family. All right, let's get into it. Number 10, Honda CB300R. Kicking off our list, at number 10, we have the Honda CB300R. Now Honda has confirmed updates for the 2027 lineup, and the CB300R is continuing, and the price is still sitting in very affordable territory, making it one of the most accessible bikes from a major manufacturer. This little naked bike is absolutely perfect for beginners and city riders. It's lightweight, incredibly easy to handle, and Honda's legendary reliability means you won't be spending extra money on repairs and maintenance down the line. The 2027 update is expected to bring slightly revised styling, think cleaner lines, more modern-looking bodywork, and there are also rumors of fuel efficiency improvements, which is always welcome. Now, what I love about this bike is that it doesn't feel cheap. Honda has always managed to make their budget bikes feel premium, and the CB300R is a perfect example of that. The riding position is upright and comfortable, the brakes are solid, and the overall package is just really well put together for the money. For new riders especially, this is honestly one of the smartest first bikes you could buy in 2027. You get Honda quality, Honda reliability, and Honda resale value, all at a very friendly price point. Solid start to our list, let's keep going. Number 9, Kawasaki Z400. Coming in at number 9 is the Kawasaki Z400, and this one is a personal favorite of mine. Kawasaki has been teasing updates for their small displacement lineup, and the Z400 is confirmed to continue into 2027 with a refreshed look and some interesting updates. Now here's what makes the Z400 special: it punches way above its price tag. The parallel twin engine is smooth, responsive, and surprisingly quick for a budget bike. We're talking 0 to 60 times that will genuinely put a smile on your face every single time. But it's not just about performance. That aggressive Z-Series styling looks like it costs twice the price. When you pull up on a Z400, people honestly cannot believe what you paid for it. The handling is sharp, the suspension is well tuned, and Kawasaki's build quality is excellent across the board. For new riders, it's approachable and forgiving. For experienced riders, it's just pure fun. It really is one of those rare bikes that works for almost everyone. Kawasaki has a real winner here, and the 2027 updates are only going to make it better. Number 8, Yamaha MT-03. At number 8, we have the Yamaha MT-03, the dark side of Japan, at a budget-friendly price. Now, Yamaha is expected to carry the MT-03 into 2027 with some exciting updates, including possible electronics upgrades and updated bodywork that brings it more in line with the bigger MT brothers. And that is a very big deal, because the MT lineup is one of the best-looking naked bike families in the entire industry. You get Yamaha's legendary build quality, a rev-happy parallel twin engine that loves to be pushed, and that iconic, aggressive MT styling that turns heads everywhere you go. The MT-03 is an absolute blast to ride in the city and on twisty back roads. It's light, nimble, and incredibly responsive, exactly what you want from a small naked bike. What really sets Yamaha apart here is the resale value. Yamahas hold their value better than almost any other brand in this segment. So when you eventually decide to upgrade, you're going to get great money back on this bike. Honestly, if someone asked me right now, what's the best all-around budget motorcycle for 2027, the MT-03 would be right at the top of my list. Yamaha just gets it right every single time. Number 7, KTM Duke 390. Number 7, is the KTM Duke 390, and KTM fans are going to absolutely love this one. KTM has been putting serious work into their small displacement lineup, and the 2027 Duke 390 is expected to receive some significant updates. We're talking possible TFT display, updated chassis geometry, and refined suspension, all things that make an already great bike even better. Now, what makes the Duke 390 so special is that it makes you feel like you're riding a superbike even though you're on a budget motorcycle. The single-cylinder engine is sharp and aggressive, the handling is razor precise, and KTM's premium feel is evident in every single component on this bike. When you ride a Duke 390, you feel confident, you feel fast, and you feel like you're on something special, and that feeling is priceless regardless of what you paid. The 2027 version with those updated electronics is going to be even more impressive. KTM always pushes the boundaries of what a small bike can be, and the Duke 390 is the perfect example of that philosophy. If you want maximum excitement per dollar spent, the KTM Duke 390 is your answer. Number 6, Royal Enfield Meteor 350. At number 6, we have something a little different from everything else on this list. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Now, I know some of you might be surprised to see Royal Enfield on a list like this, but hear me out, because this bike genuinely deserves its spot. Royal Enfield has been on an absolute tear lately. Their build quality has improved massively, their engines are smoother than ever, and their styling is just gorgeous. The Meteor 350 is a beautiful cruiser-style bike, with a relaxed, smooth, single-cylinder engine that's perfect for laid-back riding. This is not a bike that's trying to be aggressive or sporty, it's trying to be enjoyable, and it absolutely succeeds. The 2027 version is expected to continue with refined updates and possibly new color options that look even better than before. What I really love about the Meteor 350 is the experience it gives you. Riding this bike just feels special. That classic cruiser feel, the thumping single-cylinder sound, and that gorgeous retro styling, it's a complete package. If you want a cool-looking cruiser that turns heads, feels amazing to ride, and won't destroy your wallet, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is absolutely your bike. Number 5, Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z. Halfway through our list at number 5, and this one is going to surprise a lot of you, the Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z. Now, before you skip ahead, give this one a chance, because what Bajaj has done with this bike is genuinely impressive. The NS400Z offers proper performance bike styling with a strong single-cylinder engine, and the 2027 version is expected to bring improved electronics and refined suspension that takes it to a whole new level. Now, here's what makes this bike so remarkable: the value it offers is almost unbelievable. We're talking about a proper naked performance bike with aggressive styling, strong performance, and decent build quality at a price that honestly seems too good to be true. Bajaj has actually been working with KTM for years, which means there is some serious engineering DNA in these bikes. They're not just cheap, they're actually well-engineered machines. If you're in a market where Bajaj is available, and more markets are getting them every year, then the NS400Z absolutely deserves to be on your shortlist. Don't sleep on this one. Bajaj is making serious moves, and the 2027 NS400Z might be the biggest bargain on this entire list. Number 4, Honda CB500F. At number 4, we have the Honda CB500F. And this one is perfect for riders who want a little more power and capability without a massive price jump. Honda is expected to update the CB500 lineup for 2027 with possible new colors, minor refinements, and continued improvements to the already excellent parallel twin engine. Now the CB500F sits in a really interesting sweet spot. It's not too small and not too big. The parallel twin engine gives you smooth, usable power that works perfectly in city traffic, but also has enough grunt for highway riding and weekend trips. Honda's bulletproof reliability means low maintenance costs, and a comfortable upright riding position means you can ride all day without getting tired. This is the perfect bike for newer riders who want to grow into something rather than outgrow it in 6 months. But it's also fantastic for experienced riders who just want something easy, comfortable, and genuinely fun to ride every single day. The CB500F is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a truly excellent motorcycle. Honda has been refining this bike for years, and it shows. Number 3, CF Moto 300 NK. We're in the top 3 now, and at number 3, and this one is going to genuinely surprise a lot of people, the CF Moto 300 NK. CF Moto has been growing massively in global markets over the last few years, and their bikes have been turning heads for all the right reasons. The 2027 300 NK is expected to come with updated electronics, improved build quality and styling that honestly looks like it belongs on a bike costing significantly more. Now here's the thing about CF Moto that most people don't know: they have a deep technical partnership with KTM. That means these bikes have proper engineering behind them. They're not just cheap knockoffs, they're genuinely well-made motorcycles. The 300 NK is lightweight, nimble, and really fun to ride. Single-cylinder engine, sharp naked bike styling, and build quality that has been improving every single year. For the price point this bike is at, the value is almost unmatched anywhere in the market. CF Moto is one of the best-kept secrets in the motorcycle world, and the 2027 300 NK proves exactly why. If you're on a tight budget and want maximum bike for your money, put the CF Moto 300 NK on your list immediately. Number 2, Suzuki GSX S300. At number 2, we have the Suzuki GSX S300, and this one is very close to taking the top spot. Suzuki has been expanding their small displacement lineup aggressively, and the GSX S300 is expected to continue into 2027 with updated styling that brings it even closer in line with the bigger GSX-S models. And that is a massive deal, because the GSX S750 and GSX S1000 are some of the best-looking naked bikes in the entire industry. Having that same Dina in a small, affordable bike is just incredible. Single-cylinder engine, lightweight, nimble chassis, and Suzuki's solid, proven build quality, all wrapped in bodywork that looks absolutely premium. This bike is perfect for urban riding and weekend fun. It's light enough to be easy in traffic, but engaging enough to be exciting on a twisty road. But here's my favorite thing about the GSX S300: nobody will know you're riding a budget bike. That GSX-S styling looks so good that people will assume you spent way more than you actually did. Suzuki has absolutely nailed the value proposition with this bike, and the 2027 updates are going to make it even more compelling. Very, very close to number 1, but just missing out. Let's get to the top spot. Number 1, Royal Enfield Hunter 350, and the number 1 cheapest 2027 motorcycle you can buy is the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Now I know some of you were expecting something different at number 1, but when you look at the total package this bike offers at this price point, nothing else comes close. Royal Enfield has confirmed the Hunter will continue into 2027, and it's expected to get gorgeous new colorways and possible minor mechanical updates that refine an already excellent bike. So what makes the Hunter 350 so special? Everything. That retro scrambler styling is absolutely stunning. It looks like a custom bike that someone spent thousands building. The lightweight chassis makes it incredibly easy and fun to ride. The single-cylinder engine has a beautiful character, that classic thumping feel that makes every ride feel like an event. The ergonomics are perfect, comfortable enough for daily commuting, but engaging enough for weekended. Royal Enfield's improving build quality means you're getting a bike that will last for years with minimal maintenance. And the community around Royal Enfield is one of the most passionate and welcoming in the entire motorcycle world. But most importantly, the Hunter 350 proves that you absolutely do not need to spend a fortune to own a beautiful, characterful, genuinely enjoyable motorcycle. This is the number 1 cheapest 2027 motorcycle you can buy, and honestly, it might just be one of the best value bikes available at any price point. Royal Enfield has done something truly special with the Hunter 350, and the 2027 version looks set to be even better. And that is our complete Top 10 cheapest 2027 motorcycles you can actually buy. What an incredible list. 2027 is genuinely shaping up to be one of the best years ever for budget motorcycle buyers. Now I want to hear from you. Which bike on this list is your favorite? Are you Team Honda, Team Kawasaki, or are you going with something unexpected like the CF Moto or Bajaj? Drop your answer in the comments right now. I read and reply to every single comment on this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It takes 2 seconds and it genuinely helps this channel grow more than you know. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest motorcycle leaks, rumors, and news. We've got some incredible videos coming very soon that you absolutely do not want to miss. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, everyone.